The accumulation of variations during reproduction. The difference occurring between parents and their progeny and amongst siblings is called variation. Only those variations are heritable which arise in the germ cells of the organisms. It is either due to combination of genes in chromosomes forming species or due to mutations. Inheritance of characters from parents accounts for similar body design and minute variations. However, diversity is created over succeeding generations in an organism that reproduces sexually. Two individuals from same parents are different. This further gives rise to different progeny. Thus, diversity is created due to accumulation of variations after every generation. Variation constitutes the raw material for evolution, is base of heredity, produces new variants of organism, helps in adaptation of organisms to changed environment, and provides each organism a distinct individuality.